in a little-known corner of Brookings, Oregon. There lies an unexplored system of rocks and caves emerging from the depths of God's great sea. As the waves crash against the sides of the cliff, they transform the desolate and magnificent landscape. As the seabirds explore the coastline, brown pelicans, kindly sent to us across the California border from the Pelican Bay State Penitentiary, deposit their fertile and nutrient-rich bird poop across all the beautiful rocks. This provides an essential source of nutrients for native species of seaweed and lettuce, so that people who like salad can enjoy their greens with peace of mind. As mankind embarks on his adventure of exploration and conquest, he comes to understand the true nature of the earth and Earth's noble creator. Through tenacity and optimism, he unlocks one of life's greatest secrets: an appreciation for nature and a respect for the natural world.